Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's Kris with AreaPro. I want to run through some really quick tricks on setting up your AreaPro account and getting ready to use it once you've got a login, you've paid for your seats, and now you're ready to get going. So right when you go to areapro.com, there's actually a support link right here. You can push this button. We've got some just overall general frequently asked questions here. So understanding the MLS integration statutes, how to create your account, how to log into your account. So any of the questions that we see most frequently, they're addressed right here. But really, you guys, this is pretty self-explanatory. So let me jump in. I'm going to sign into my account here. And the first thing I'm going to show you how to do is pull your MLS into your account. So once you're logged in, so once you have it logged in, and you'll get to this screen. And when you pull it up, you're not going to have any areas set up or any MLSs. So you're going to want to go up here to settings. Settings is where you can pull in your local MLS. What you'll notice in settings here is you've got three tabs at the top. You got account settings, team settings, manage team, and subscription. This is where your credit card is, whatever you signed up for. Manage team. This is if you have multiple seats and you're going to be adding team members to your AreaPro account so that they can manage their own areas. You can invite people here. And then team settings. We're going to go to the MLS settings here. And what you'll do is you'll have this drop down box. You'll see here it says add another MLS. Let's just pull this up and let's go Daytona MLS. Okay, pull this in. This is where you're going to add your license number. So whatever your license number is, you'll add that, and then we'll hit save. Okay, once we've saved that, that's going to pull that MLS into your list. Right here we'll see. Okay, so then the next step is once you have your MLS pulled in, you can now set up areas within your MLS. So let's go here. We're going to go to account settings, and you're going to go to area settings, right? First thing you're going to hit is your default last 6 months or last 3 months. Choose what you want, and then we'll go here to manage areas. Up at the top of this, you're going to notice we have favorites, personal areas, and team areas. So you remember you can actually invite other people to be in this account, and when you do that, you'll be able to set up specific searches that apply to your entire team. But for sake of this conversation, let's go set up one area, okay? So we're in this search box. You'll see this blue button over here that says add area. We'll hit that, and then it'll ask us pick your MLS. So let's go and we'll add an area out of Daytona. Now, I don't know much about this MLS, but I just started typing Florida because I know it's in Florida, and you're gonna see you have a drop down of all these counties. These counties are specifically a part of this MLS. So we're gonna pick Bradford, and then we'll go find another one here in Florida. We'll pick Broward, and let's pick one more, and let's see what it does. We'll go Alachua, okay? We can also exclude areas if we want to. If we go into here and it's like, okay, we don't want Calhoun, I'm gonna exclude that. And you'll notice we're getting information out here to the right. In these three counties, we have 5 active listings, 1 sold per month, and a 10-month supply. Let's add another one. We'll go here, let's add Charlotte. Okay, let's see what that does. We added Charlotte, didn't pull much information in there either. Florida, let's go to Duval. Okay, that just added 4 more, and it decreased the month's supply of inventory. Okay, once you've got the areas that you want to include, the schools, whatever, you can come down here, you can pull out the residential, manufactured home, or condo and townhome subcategories. So if I don't want condos and townhomes, look at what that just did. It pulled half of our search out. So I'm going to leave that here. Then you name your area. I'm just going to use this. They're using this because these are the counties that we picked. And then we can say whether or not this is going to be a personal area to you or a team area for your entire team. Now I'm just going to save this and you'll see what happens. So I'm saving that. It was under those counties. It populated in about 3 seconds. Okay. Sometimes, depending on the amount of data, it can take up to a minute, but it usually produces information fairly quickly. Once I've got that area done, I can click on this, and now I'm going to see the overall breakdown in the real estate market overview, the dashboard, and everything else that you're going to be using AreaPro for. So that's how you set up your MLS and start creating areas within that MLS. Thanks for watching.